Hello, I'm Princess Elise. We are ready for the next Soleanna story. Chapter 3. Rescued and Recaptured. One day, I was brought to Eggman's base in dusty desert in the egg carrier where I was imprisoned. While being locked in her cell, I felt hopeless about her situation, but I tried to stay strong by recalling my father's words. Not long after her capture, however, I found Sonic arriving with Tails to save her, the Hedgehog staying true to his words. I was happy to see Sonic, embraced Sonic and told him that I was so happy that he came. Unfortunately, their reunion was cut short, as Eggman arrived and unleashed his egg Cerberus on them, which Sonic defeated. Sonic, and Tails eventually managed to escape Eggman's base, but are then chased by a massive army of his robots. To escape, Tails created a diversion, allowing Sonic and I had to escape unnoticed. As both got some distance from the robots, they arrived at some grassy plains, where they stopped. With the danger past, I thanked Sonic for his help, but then noticed a wound on his arm. Sonic told me that was nothing serious, but I was not convinced and used a handkerchief to bandage Sonic's arm. After treating him, I apologized to Sonic for his injury, blaming myself for it, but Sonic merely told me to smile, which was all he needed. As they walked through the plains, I told Sonic more about the flames of disaster and Solaris, the deity that Soleanna worshipped, which was the primary reason that Eggman was after me. I was worried about what I could do to stop Eggman from unleashing Solaris's furious power, but suddenly found Sonic dragging me through the fields. I told Sonic that I could not run that fast, but Sonic told me not to worry and keep running, and I started to cheer up. After running through the field together with Sonic, I felt much better, and Sonic gave her some advice to go by. Nothing starts until you take action. If you have time to worry, then run. Afterwards, I was escorted back to the city by Sonic. Upon their return to the city, they were attacked by Silver. I was captured by Eggman again in the confusion, and was eventually brought to White Acropolis. When Sonic, accompanied by Tails and Knuckles, reaches Eggman's base, Eggman and Sonic negotiated a deal. If Sonic gave Eggman the Chaos Emerald that I had given him earlier, then Eggman would let me go. And, with help from Amy, succeeded. When they returned to the city, Amy gave me some advice on love, but I was captured by Eggman again when she returns to the castle. End of Chapter 3. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.